I'm afraid the president is not feeling well. He's not well enough to leave the plane.
Oh, that's a pity. Would you like us to come up?
One moment, please. The doctors insist the president rests.
He's drunk, isn't he?
No, he is not.
He is, isn't he?
He is not. Are you calling me a liar? It would be very bad to call me a liar. I am a representative of the Russian government. I demand an apology.
I know. You can fuck off with your apology.
One moment, please. This man called me a liar.
In insulting this man, you have insulted Mother Russia.
He is drunk. Go on, admit it.
No, he isn't. And it would be very bad for you to make such accusations.
He's a liar, and so are you. One moment, please.
Jesus, boss.
Tell him what you said.
You're all a bunch of lying commie pinkos.
We declare war on your puny excuse for a country. You shamrock-eating leprechaun.
Yeah, right. Very funny, lads. Well, let me tell you something. Have we any guns?
I do.
Pointed at them.
Are you fucking kidding?
No, steady on, lads, okay? Just, let's talk about this, okay, Vic? Sure we can work something out.
Cheerio, Leprechaunski.
General!